Hey, hi. Uh, Very good evening. Today I am going to explain dialogue work process and file editor. So basically, whenever we want to load the data, what we do, we will test a sample instead of doing mass migration. So after doing sample test, then we proceed with the mass migration. So this dialogue work process is nothing but loading sample of records in during mock or SITs. So what we do, we will simply pick one record from the main file, then we will do a test load. Okay. uh, I will show one example. Hope you can see my screen. First of all, I will bring one company, for example ADR city. Okay, then I will copy this to the company, and I will also bring connection object as well. So that is also easy to load. Okay, done. Okay, it is already exist. Fine. I will change this to 000, so for easy load. Done. Okay. See, there are total four structures. Address data is there. So, and we have other data as well. We can use city which is available, and we have default cities from the F4 search. We can pick that city only. So nothing is available. Basically, we didn't load any city first of all. So we have to load city first. Okay. City is little simple object because it's very top highest object, so it doesn't have any dependency basically. So let me create. First I will go to a level, and I will find a path. I will pick this path, and I will keep this in notepad. Give the path for dialog migration and mass migration. See here, dialog processing is nothing but whenever we load a sample of records, and mass process is nothing but whenever we load heavy data. Okay. Now go to data import. You will be able to it is in SAP. Yeah. Select the available server, select the available server, give the path, then save. That's it. Now when you go to the area inside the data import, you will be able to see this server and path. Okay, now I will create a test file. Okay, test, click on create. Okay, click a data object. I will give legacy key as test legacy city. Okay, first city structure, click on edit, give some data, country code what we want to give, city code what we want to give. For example, in a standard projects, we will have decent data how client want to maintain his data. Okay, but whenever we are testing, we will be in a confusion what to use. So city code I will be using this. Okay, it's not copying from there to here. Type 100, 200, 30, 111, 2. We can give anything basically. And community code Muni dash 987, flag give X, region gives Texas, and time EST, and zone north. Not all the fields are mandatory. And US South. City name is mandatory. Houston, and city short name is Houston TX. Houston Northwest Industrial Park. Okay, it's look cool. Then click continue. Okay, it's done. You can click continue. Next, second structure we have to fill. Okay, here we will give city code and postal code and city part and community, and we will see what to give again. We can give some random data, but it doesn't look very, it will look very bad because this is the first object. If we mess this object, we keep on need to maintain very bad data in the downstreaming objects. Okay, so give me sample data. It will give me sample data. Fine, given very sample data. DST 10023, postal code 90 210 dash 2 90 210 dash 2 triple 1, and this one Greenwich Village, and this one Muni 987654. Fine, don't need to give too much. That's a community. Yeah, that's it. I will go to next structure. This is a repeated structure. We can maintain multiple data, but I don't want to maintain, so I will skip. One line item is enough. And this is another structure, CPCD. Click continue, give the postal code again. You will copy the postal code from the previous structure, that is fine. Click continue. And this is also repeated structure, so click continue. And CP, this is also new structure. See what can be given, and this is a optional structure, I guess, but let's see what we can fill in this. Suggested some data 0 0 0 0 5 4 zeros, and 0 0 0 0 1 3 4 zeros, and this is 1 ID 90210 dash 2 triple 1. Then postal IND is 1, and P dot box range 1. May suppose something is there. That's it. This is done. Okay, again this is repeating, so we can see one record is done. Okay, now what I will do, I will add another data, another record. Legacy city 2. I don't waste much time, so I will give highly dummy data. Okay, done. And this is also, because I am very confident I am not going to load this data. See, we have two records. Okay, total we have two records. I can do, because see, this is a test system, I can't create much dummy data. First of all, I can do data input. This is a dialog. See, you can see this is a dialog process. This will work only we have very less data. Basically, let's see if this is a mass file. We can click here and load the dialog data and see. We triggered it. Both of them failed, but that is fine. That is how we see, we can see, we can how we can load dialog work process. Okay, so yeah, in this video, that's it. How to load sample record during mass migration basically.